I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. Hey, yeah, wow, wow. I will love you do tonight. Yeah, yeah. 미치도록 널 원하고 있어. Yeah. 단 하루라도 너 없이 안 되는 너. Oh, baby, I hold you in my arms. 오직 그 사랑에 심장이 뛰는 걸. 난 점점 숨이 막혀와 이러다가 죽겠어. I want you, baby. 너무너무 아름다워 내 모습엔 혹시 빠져버린 나. 그저 내 눈빛에 사로잡혀 고개조차 돌릴 수도 없는 나. 바보 같은 나. 가슴 터져버릴 것 같아 너의 손을 잡으면 내 입술에 입맞춤 할 때면 그녀만은 나에게 주인일 수 있는 걸. I'm slave for you. 소리 내가 먼저 내게 빠져버려 baby. Shorty 눈이 부셔 숨이 막혀 내가 미쳐 baby. 소리 내가 먼저 내게 빠져버려 baby. Shorty 눈이 부셔 숨이 막혀 내가 미쳐 baby. Oh, every time I close my eyes.
Parang, Twilight yan.
Carpenter!
Ano, carpenter?
Are you carpenter? Carpenter? I want to be a carpenter. To work all day long in the clean. Shaking it into little these rivers.
Ba't kailangan smile?
You're walking the curves behind my face. Things curve black face into white. With the close of my camera distance. Like the tongue of the snake. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Everybody seems to be staring at me. You. There you stare at me. Why? Is it because I'm a bad girl? A bad girl, I am. A good girl.
Bayan? Parang wala sa big house.
The world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Okay, game.
Your question is,
If you would be an animal, ano ba yun? What is it and why? Okay, let's stop. Take it in.
your boy Sheila.
Ito yung the bird.
It's a bird. Or me. Wait, I want to be a bird.
Just a bird.
Yes.
A bird.
Ano yung joke?
Why?
Because I want to feel I want to cry.
Aim high, Pinay. Uy, nakakabastos kayo. Uy, nakakabastos kayo.
Wait, ako na-excite kami na house. Okay. And that bird symbol
daw?
Symbolize what?
Kulang naman.
Wala lang.
Biglang bumalik. Ano ba yung tanong ko? Nakalimutan ko.
Please email na rin.
What is the best policy? Honesty or truthfulness? Isa lang yun, di ba?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
Good ano ba?
Good afternoon, Philippines. That was a very good question. For me, the best policy would be
Tagal. Ano?
honesty.
Honesty?
Yeah.
Why?
Because without honesty, you can live in this society. Thank you.
Corny? Kala ko misis. Ano yung tanong? What is the difference between being loved and being important?
Being loved is the
Ang seryoso naman ang tanong na yan. Ano ulit?
being loved is when someone is taking care of you, making things, you do things that
Bawal! English
that
yan.
are not from him, then he still love you. Being important is just
Ano na lang? Ano?
as being important is just giving them just people that what she like, but nothing love at all.
Okay, hindi ko na gets. Whatever.